we are trying to approach the absolute truth. And it is through truthfulness only that we can approach absolute truth. And truthfulness means to honestly express the way we perceive. And when we do that, we actually make our progress towards the absolute truth or spiritual reality. A Vaishnava must be absolutely honest. The antonym for honesty is actually hypocrisy. And Prabhupada was very particular, very emphatic about that point. For us not to become hypocrites. And when we stand on honesty, frankness and truthfulness, it automatically creates a very, very enlivening environment. There we know, like we are dealing with individuals who are going to call a spade a spade. When something deserves appreciation, admiration and glorification, we should not hesitate to express that. And when we have to address some discrepancies and deficiencies and deviations, there also we should not be hesitant to address that. And that is how a very pure atmosphere will be created.